Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to show you how you can enable the drag and drop to taskbar function inside Windows 11. Now, as you can see, when you try to drag any file to the taskbar, you will see this red icon and you won't be able to place it anywhere here. Now, to enable the drag and drop to taskbar feature, we have two tools. The first one is in GitHub. Links will be in the description. It's called Windows 11 Drag and Drop to Taskbar Fix. Now, once you go to this URL, you will download the .exe file. Click Start Download and run. Now, once you run this software, you can see it here. It has the Mona Lisa icon. And now for this to work, all what you need to do is simply drag, let's close all of these, drag the item that you want to place in any of the window or the apps that you have in your taskbar. Let's say that I want to send it to this folder, then simply place it here. Let's try the second software. It's more convenient and it will add a bar at the top of your window. So let's download it. This is the name of the software from Microsoft Store. Click Get, open Microsoft app or Microsoft Store. Now once you have this window, click Get button. Now once installed, click Open and you will see a bar up here. Now once installed, all what you need to do is simply drag the file, go up here, you will find a little icon, and in this little icon you will see everything that's open. So place it here and that's it. This is how to drag and drop with an easy and simple way. You will find links in the description. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you in another video.